Hello students, welcome back once again. So with the continuation of the previous chapter, the revolt of 1857, we have done the module 1 till the policies, how the policies affected the people, how they like react against the policies, how they made their leader Bahadur Shah Zafar, how the revolt started from the Meerut after the hanging of the Mangal Pandey at the Barakpur, and how they travel to the Delhi, how they burn the things, how they burn the buildings, how they capture the police posts, how they capture the ammunition, how they capture the guns, the arms, these things. So in this video, we are going towards the next aspect of uh, the chapter Revolt of 1857, module 2. In this module, we are going to look towards the how the rebellion spreads. अब rebellion फैला कैसे? ठीक है, rebellion यानी कि the revolt. Regiments mutinied at the nodal points like Delhi, Kanpur, and Lucknow. These are the three nodal points of the revolt. Please learn them: Delhi, Lucknow, and the Kanpur. Okay. So people of the towns and the villages also rose up in the rebellion and rallied around the local leaders. People of the towns and the villages take part in the rebellion together and rallied around the local leaders. Zamindars and chiefs were prepared to establish their authority and fight the Britishers. People of the towns and the villages did together come up and fight against the Britishers. The zamindars and the chiefs were prepared to establish their authority and fight the Britishers because उनकी authorities, उनकी honor, Britishers ने सब कुछ खत्म कर दिया था. They snatch everything from them. So they fight together to against the Britishers to gain the things back. Britishers were defeated in battle. So all these battles that was taking place in different places, Britishers were defeated in these battles. So after the rebellion spreads, we are going to look into the important centers and the leaders of the revolt. कि कहाँ पे किस जगह पे कौन leaders थे as of the revolt और कौन से important centers थे. Like start from the Barakpur, we have studied the Mangal Pandey, who was hanged by the Britishers. In term of that, he killed the British officials. झांसी, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई with the तात्या टोपे. लखनऊ, बेगम हजरत महल. कानपुर, Nana Sahib. He is the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II. Remember that. Bareilly, Khan Bahadur Khan. Bihar, Veer Kunwar Singh. Delhi, Bahadur Shah Zafar. We all know that because everybody make the Bahadur Shah Zafar as the leader of the revolt, but he is the leader of the revolt as well, and the Delhi leader also as well. Okay. Barakpur, Mangal Pandey. Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai with Tatya Tope. Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Kanpur, Nana Sahib. Bareilly, Khan Bahadur Khan. Bihar, Kunwar Singh, and the Delhi, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Because exams में चीजें बहुत ज्यादा आती हैं कि कौन से सेंटर्स का लीडर कौन था. Please make sure this thing कि आपको ये याद होना चाहिए. Look into the important centers of the 1857 revolt. These are the important centers given in the what the red dots. Okay. Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Sahanpur, Meerut, Delhi, Aligarh, Mathura, Agra. Central India वाला area ज्यादा affected था इस revolt से. Okay. Then these are some leaders. Rani Lakshmibai खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. We all know these things. Tatya Tope, he is with the Rani Lakshmibai in the revolt. Nana Sahib, look, Rani Lakshmibai has her son on her back, and after that she fight like a man. Okay. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II, the leader from Pune, or the leader from the Kanpur, the area near Pune. Okay. Mangal Pandey from the Barakpur. Begum Hazrat Mahal is from the Lucknow. Okay. And Bahadur Shah Zafar from the Delhi. He is the last Mughal emperor who is serving as the post of the emperor. The company fights back. How the company fights back now? Like how they are successed in the suppressing of the revolts of the Mughal. Suppress the revolt with all its might. Reinforcement from the England sent to the Britishers so that they gain back their positions. They pass the new laws in order to gaining back their positions, or लोगों को इजीली अरेस्ट करने में, उन्हें सप्रेस करने के लिए नए नए रूल्स बनाए गए, नए नए लॉज बनाए गए। दिल्ली वाज रिकैप्चर्ड इन सितंबर 1857। दिल्ली पे लोगों ने मार्च कब किया था? मई 1857 में, और सितंबर तक दिल्ली को रीबैक कर लिया गया, रिकैप्चर्ड कर लिया गया। लास्ट मुगल एम्पर बहादुर शाह जफर सेंटेंस टू लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट विद हिज फैमिली। बहादुर शाह जफर died in the Rangoon jail in November 1862. The Britishers had to fight for 2 complete years to suppress the massive forces of popular rebellion. If this rebellion is success now, we will gain the independence just 100 years. Not the next 100 years will serve as the gulams. Okay. If this rebellion gets succeed, we will get the independence in 1857 itself with the sacrifice of lots of people. Lucknow was taken back in the March 1858. Rani Lakshmibai was defeated and killed in June in 1858. Tatia Tope was captured and tried and killed in April 1859. Rewards for lawyers and landholders, like they said the people that please be with us, हमारा साथ दो, revolt को कम करो, खत्म करो, suppress करो, and we will give you back the lands that we captured from you guys. Okay. Many sepoys, nawabs, and rajas were hanged. Like in this way, they suppress the revolt and the company fights back. After the revolt of 1857, this is the condition: British India provinces in the pink color, Indian princely state in the yellow color, and the boundaries in the black color. Okay, so almost all of the India is under the British possession now. Okay, almost all the India is under the British possession now. So aftermath, what happened after the revolt? Okay, New Act 1857 transfers the powers from the East India Company to the Crown. Now listen to the story here. There is the East India Company that I told you. It's a company that is sent from the England to the India for just a trading company, for just a purpose of the trade, for just the purpose of the business, to business in the terms of spices and the textiles. Okay, but soon, steadily, or steadily or slowly, they take the control over the political and the military area of the India as well. Like they fight in the places, they capture the territory and they rule over that territory. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? धीरे 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 ऐसे ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने अपने हाथ फैलाते चले गए और पूरे के पूरे इंडिया को उन्होंने लेस देन इन 100 years कैप्चर कर लिया था अंडर देयर सबऑर्डिनेट्स. ओके, फिर रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857 होता है ड्यू टू मेनी पॉलिसीज, ड्यू टू मेनी लाइक एक्सप्लॉइटेटिव पॉलिसीज ऑफ द ब्रिटिशर्स, due to many religious policies of the Britishers, because they hurt the religious sentiment of the people, like the abolition of the sati system, widow remarriage, and the crossing of the seas. Because some people think that if they cross the sea, they lose their religion, but forcefully they are forced to cross the sea, and like this thing is not acceptable by many Indians, so they revolt back. Okay, then the revolt is suppressed by the Britishers. They hang the important leaders, rajas, queens, maharajas. They send the Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, with his family to the Rangoon jail, and in which he died in 1862 in June. They killed the Rani Lakshmibai with Tatya Tope. They killed the Nana Sahib. They hanged the many rulers, many peasants, many sepoys. Okay. So after the revolt of 1857, now British Crown think that now it is time to get the India back into their hold. अब ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के हाथों से इंडिया को ले लेने का सही समय यही है, बिकॉज ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी क्रिएटेड आ ह्यूज मेस, बहुत मेस क्रिएट कर दिया, बहुत रिवोल्ट हो गए, बहुत रिवेलियन हो गए. अब लोग ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को एज देयर रूलर्स accept nahi karenge. So it is now time to gain the power from the East India Company into the British Crown, hence completely. So the rule of East India Company is finished in 1858 and the company rule started. So and the crown rule started. Okay, and if we look into the timeline from 1700 till 1857, it is a company rule. East India Company ruled there. From 1857 till 1947, it is the crown rule, British crown. Okay, the one who ruled in the England is the one who ruled in the India. So in 1858, after passing a new act called the Government of India Act 1858, they took the complete hold of India from the East India Company to the British Crown. Okay, title of Governor General was changed to Viceroy. Territories would not be annexed in future. वो अपनी करी हुई गलती से सीख गए थे that हमें उनकी टेरिटरीज में इन्फिल्ट्रेट नहीं करना है. पर एक वो लोग उन लोगों ने ऐसा नहीं किया था कि हम लोगों को हमारी जमीन जायदाद वापस दे दी, नो, they just remove themselves as on the from the position of raja. They just remove themselves from the position of nawabs, from the position of rulers, but they place a person as a dummy there and they rule behind that person. मतलब अपना एक डमी बैठा देते थे वो लोग वहां पे और उसके बिहाइंड, उसके पीछे से रूल करते थे, ठीक है। प्रपोर्शन ऑफ इंडियन सोल्जर्स इन ब्रिटिश आर्मी टू बी रिड्यूस्ड, अब वो लोग सीख गए थे अगर ब्रिटिश आर्मी में इतने इंडियन सोल्जर्स रख लिए तो देयर मस्ट बी अ म्यूटिनी अगेन इन द फ्यूचर। सो इंडियन ब्रिटिश आर्मी में से इंडियन सोल्जर्स रिड्यूस कर दिए गए, उनके नंबर्स रिड्यूस कर दिए गए। द लैंड एंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मुस्लिम्स वर टेकन अवे बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट द मुस्लिम्स आर दी लाइक कीन पीपल टू स्टार्टेड दिस रिवोल्ट, बिकॉज ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो लीडर्स थे वो सब मुस्लिम्स थे। तो उन्होंने क्या सोचा, द मुस्लिम्स वर द रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस रिवोल्ट, सो मुस्लिम्स की लैंड और प्रॉपर्टी को उन लोगों ने छीन लिया। रेस्पेक्ट एंड कल्चर and the custom of Indian, they respect the culture and the custom of Indian. Now new policies were made for zamindars and landlords that that their lands would not be snatched by them if they are like failed to pay the revenue. A new phase of history started from here because the crown rule has started from here, okay. Now it's a timeline how the revolt started, okay. Now the timeline starts from 1849. The Governor General Dalhousie announced that after the death of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the family of the king would be shifted out of the Red Fort. Like it is the timeline कि सारा का सारा रिवोल्ट शुरू कैसे हुआ और क्या कहते हैं, क्या रीजंस थे रिवोल्ट शुरू होने के पीछे और कब से ये चीज मतलब कहते हैं ना चिंगारी स्टार्ट हो गई थी। 1849 में गवर्नर जनरल डलहौजी ने यह अनाउंस किया कि बहादुर शाह जफर को उनके रेड फोर्ट से निकलना पड़ेगा। आफ्टर हिज डेथ बहादुर शाह जफर की फैमिली को रेड फोर्ट से निकलना पड़ेगा। 1856 में गवर्नर जनरल कैनिंग आते हैं। He decided that Bahadur Shah Zafar would be the last Mughal king, and after his death, his descendant would be recognized as the princes only. उनके डिसेंडेंट्स जो होंगे, उनके बेटे उनके पोते जो होंगे, उनको सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रिंस का दर्जा दिया जाएगा, नॉट द एम्परर। The company passed a new law which stated that every new person who took up the employment in the company had to agree to serve overseas if required. मैंने आपको बताया कि वो लोग सोचते थे अगर हमने ओवरसीज ट्रेवल किया इट विल अफेक्ट आवर रिलीजन, बट द कंपनी पास्ड अ न्यू लॉ, उसमें ये लिखा था कि अगर कोई कंपनी की आर्मी में एम्प्लॉय होना चाहता है तो ही हैज टू ट्रेवल ओवरसीज एंड ही हैज टू साइन द डॉक्यूमेंट, ओके। ये होता है 1849 1856 में। देन 29 मार्च 1857 में मंगल पांडे वाज हैंग्ड फॉर अटैकिंग द ऑफिसर्स इन बैरकपुर। मई 1857 में मई 1857 में May 1857 में सिपाही म्यूटिनीड इन सेवरल प्लेसेस। 29 मार्च को मंगल पांडे को हैंग कर दिया गया था। उसके अगेंस्ट में लोगों ने म्यूटिनी की, ठीक है। 9th मई को 85 सोल्जर्स को 85 सिपाहीज को उठा के जेल में डाल दिया गया फॉर द नेक्स्ट 10 years। 10th मई को लोगों ने मार्च किया टू द मेरठ जेल एंड दे रिलीज द सिपाहीज फ्रॉम देयर एंड दे आल्सो रश्ड फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू मेरठ, ओके। सितंबर 1857 में दिल्ली वाज रिकैप्चर्ड बाय द कंपनी। मई में रिवोल्ट शुरू हुआ था दिल्ली में और सितंबर में दिल्ली को रिकैप्चर कर लिया गया। अगस्त 1857 में एक नया एक्ट पास किया गया जिसे हम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1858 कहते हैं। दिस इज द फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट, ओके। In this, the transfer of the powers from the East India Company to the British Crown. Now the Crown rule has started. October 1858 में Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar along with his family was sent to the prison in Rangoon for the life, okay. And November 1862, Bahadur Shah Zafar died in the Rangoon jail. Now this is all about from the chapter the revolt of 1857. I hope I like make you understand very well from this chapter, and if you have any questions regarding this you can ask me afterwards, okay. So this is all about how the war started, how the revolt started, how it is taking place from the Meerut to Delhi to Kanpur to Lucknow. What are the important centers, what are the important leaders that take part in the revolt, how the revolt gets suppressed by the company, how the company's rule shifted to the crown rule, and what is the aftermath, uske baad kya hua, how the leaders were treated, how the policies were changed। बहादुर शाह जफर को जेल भेज दिया गया, वहां पे उनकी मृत्यु हो गई। उसके बाद कंपनी ने किसी जो इंडियंस थे उनके रिलीजियस पॉलिसीज में इंटरफेयर करना बंद कर दिया. Now the company rule has ended and the crown rule has started. So this is all about from the chapter of like revolt of 1857 from class 8 history textbook. So I hope you liked it, and we will see in the next video very soon. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.